fi remember that. Look how man a boast on the avenue. Big car, big chain, flashy shoes. But who make the stars and paint the sky? Who give them life, who create their mind? The fool says strength come from gold, but time will tell when the truth unfold. From Genesis straight to Revelation, Jah word firm like foundation stone. None of them talk, say them are done, but God had it done, the mighty one. He owned the earth and the fullness thereof, from mountain high to the sea so rough. No man greater, no king can stand. God had it done, ruler of the land. Leaders rise up, them claim the crown, but Jah alone wear the royal gown. He built the earth with wisdom hand. No mortal flesh could form this land. Every tree, every river, every songbird call, declare His glory, creator of all. So I bow my knees, lift up my voice, for the King of Kings, me eternal choice. None of them talk, say them are done, but God had it done, the mighty one. He owned the earth and the fullness thereof, from mountain high to the sea so rough. No man greater, no king can stand. God had it done, ruler of the land. Babylon system love power and fame, but righteousness higher than name. Them plan and scheme for control man, but Jah blueprint deeper than plan. He bring the rain, He cool the sun, He guide the steps of everyone. So me chant His praises night and day, cause no man can take Jah place away. Enough of them talk, say them are done, but God had it done, the mighty one. He owned the earth and the fullness thereof, from mountain high to the sea so rough. No man greater, no king can stand. God had it done, ruler of the land. See the poor man crying for bread, while the wicked sleep on feather bed. But Jah hear prayer of the humble heart, from the weakest soul He'll never part. He lift them up, He set them free. Jah truth shine bright eternally. So me sing this song till morning come, to the one true dawn, the Holy One. Enough of them talk, say them are done, but God had it done, the mighty one. He owned the earth and the fullness thereof, from mountain high to the sea so rough. No man greater, no king can stand. God had it done, ruler of the land. The earth is the Lord's and the fullness thereof. Him rule with mercy, Him reign with love. Alpha, Omega, the first and the last. His kingdom come, His will steadfast. Enough of them talk, say them are done, but God had it done, the mighty one. He owned the earth and the fullness thereof, from mountain high to the sea so rough.